Varianarum fruits. Quite a few of these memsilons are there on these kind of border hedge areas alongside roads and all, where some little undisturbed places are there. These wild plants are there. In this patch I got quite a few of them. This is at the top of that valley number 1, that sacred grove and all around that side on the way, and this one some half acre of with some cashew and all they have planted, but along with that quite a few of our native plants have come back in this stretch. There, that those tall trees you see behind, that's where that sacred grove with the begonias and all are there. That tall stuff, trees. Here there are no tall trees. This place has this is a growth of about maybe some 8 or 9 years, and in this acacia has started invading. It's quite aggressive, so in a few years it will dominate. And the smilax seeds are now, I think they are waiting for the monsoon. Cashew flowers are blooming. Today we'll look at one tree. It's also new to me. I'm myself little bit learning about it. After I saw the first flowers, I could get the identification. It's called cardiospermum. Not cardiospermum. It's called Aporosa cardiosperma. Aporosa. It seems it doesn't like these valley bottoms and all. And in Greek, Aporosa means something that doesn't grow in valley bottoms, but rather on little higher up areas. Now I have to locate that tree. Normally these trees, they are hard to do videos on because their leaves are high up, flowers and all, I can't see them. But occasionally I do get some trees that are favorably located for photographing and all, and then if there is a smaller specimen nearby at a low height, then that makes it easier to do justice to that plant. This is that Aporosa cardiosperma. It grows up to, it's a medium sized tree, some 15-20 meters and all it grows, and it looks quite a bit like some of these dried deciduous trees. Leaves are like this. The description they said it's papery, but I don't find it papery as such. It's a nice leathery touch is there. Leaves, and then this is the bark. must say this bark is quite beautiful. With lot of fissures and all, very nice. So that's how the bark looks. And then a tree, actually when I look at this tree, I've taken a liking for it. It's nice. You see that Uvarian arum, it has climbed down to this tree also. The speciality of this Uvarian arum, the cinnamon leaves, that's the proof. Cinnamon scented leaves. Now Aporosa cardiosperma, flowers, will look at them. They're supposed to be like separate male and female flowers. So I don't know much about this plant, but whatever I know, I'm sharing with you all. Flower seeds. Flowers are now visible nicely. Now it's visible nicely. So flowers are coming in a spike, small flowers. If you want good, better detailed photos, you can also look at my Facebook page. So that's how the flowers look. Then we'll have an overlook of the tree. Outlook how it looks. It's kind of climbed sideways. And then another feature about this, what I could gather by looking in the internet, is that this it has edible fruits, it seems. Though the fruits are only known to those people who are in these forested areas and where these trees are there. You'll never find it in any town, park, farm, garden or anywhere. It's not entered the garden trade. Then I'll tell a little bit about its properties and all now. It's a native range of South India, Sri Lanka, Andhra and all. Primarily Western Ghats region, Kerala and Karnataka. Karnataka, it has lot of specimens are there. And in Kannada it's called Sarali Mara and Salli. And it has it's a herb also. It's used for many of these medicinal preparations for fever and all, it seems. Then that fruit is quite nutritious and then sweet sour. That is what I have heard. I have not tasted it. And then it contains good amount of protein and also it's a nutritious fruit. And it has not been taken up by the garden trade. So you are unlikely to get this species tree if you go to any typical garden. But if demand is created, then gardeners will do it. Will start multiplying it. So this is a beautiful tree. It's worth for anyone who's a little bit adventurous and tired of the exotic trees. This is a good option to have. It's worth in to have in a collection because it has its own charm, non-showy type of simple charm it has. Then that fruit also is edible. On top of that, if you get, it's a herb also, and it's a endemic species, so it has all the good qualities. Worth. The correct botanical name and everything I'll write on the title also, so that that Aporosa cardiospermum, that is what it's called.